What do you guys think of this awesome trail park that my dad made? Like, it looks awesome for my opinion. Like, I could even take my Jeep Defender up here and it can make it no problem. A couple of times it did have an error, but finally it works. So thank God it works like 100%. So yeah, what do you guys think of this trail park or scale park? Just let me know in the comments below. And yeah, I'll write a reply to you when you made a comment. So yeah. Oh, I'm so excited. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video today of my Traxxas TRX4 Jeep Defender. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video. I will upload videos soon once I get my parts coming, and I'll hopefully show you guys how to put those new bumpers I'm gonna put on there. And I'm also getting the door handles with it. So yeah, bye for now.